This is my new rocket stove that Kelly made for me just the other day. It has no smoke, as you can see. Lots of good fire going down there. And we got some real good burgers to fry in here. And it's really hot. I'm going to back away a little. Let you see the fire down here again. No smoke, see? Too ashy. Can't get too close. He made it in ground, so it's right beside my grill, and it's up about waist high. Perfect for cooking. I wanted this one so I could do all my canning out here. So just wanted to show you our new rocket stove.